We've been on the road now for almost a year, and as I'm thinking back and contemplating on some of the best places that we've stayed, this has got to be one of my favorite places. In fact, it is the favorite place that we stayed. And it's not so much about the campground or where it is, but it's the location of the spot. And oftentimes that's the case. You can have a gorgeous, gorgeous campground, a place to stay, but then get stuck in a really bad spot. Well, this one, we hit both. We got a great location and the best spot, in my opinion, of the entire place that you could stay at. So we want to share with you what it's like, the emotions, the feeling, how we love just opening up our front door to the entire world. So follow along with us as we share with you one of our favorite places to stay. And Taylor and I get to do something that we've never done since our rubber hit the road and we left Utah.
Sold it all, we're on our way. Packed our dreams in a rolling bay. Wheels are turning, life is free. Homes wherever we choose to be. Movement in motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show.
So this is our site at Alpine Lake, Thousand Trails Alpine Lake, and we got a gorgeous site right on the water. Our only concern with the site was our yard. Stairs gonna get in the water. You can see that. We had to kind of straddle the pad because our slide outs right here, there's trees. So this was the only way to get into the site, was to kind of straddle that pad right there. Looks kind of swampus, but it works. We've got the water and our rig right there.
And then we had to move the picnic table. Pippin's this way. Oh, he's pulling me. He got out of his snoot loop. Okay, Pippin, not on there. No, come on. Duty. We're gonna move the picnic bench over here, but there's water on both sides, so it's really, really pretty there. And then over here, I bet we could even take our kayak and just put it right here into the water. Some ducks out there, looks like. But I mean, amazing views. And there's a fountain all the way down there, and the I guess pond, you want to call it, wraps around to the other side. And then I don't know if this connects to over here or if this is separate. And then we have, oh, thought it was a bird.
Oh, there's fish right here. Look at that. We got fish right outside our
They're like the
grass.
Teenager minnows. They're like going to school minnows.
Fishies.
Like
They're waiting. They're waiting for us to feed them.
Oh my gosh! Did you see that?
Yep.
It would have been even funnier to see how I did it.
All right, do it again. Make the fish come to us.
Okay, but if I look ugly, I'm not posting it.
You never look ugly.
We're not posting this.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, that's so funny. They're just like, I've never done that before. I can now say that I have fed fish spit. I've never done it before. Ew, that's so gross.
Truly cannot get over how this is my front yard. Open up my door and I get to see all this. It's just spectacular. It's like right out of a magazine. This is our camp spot right here. We got a lake on this side and a lake on this side. Guess what we're gonna do for the first time ever on our since we left Utah, first time ever.
What?
We're gonna go play pickleball. So there's tonight they're doing a haunted house here, or
Haunted house.
haunted acres, haunted forest, or something like that this weekend. So we're gonna go check that out because Taylor's a little bit too scared though.
Ooh.
Okay, bump. Oh, look,
Oh,
again.
that looks like what it's in.
Oh yeah, there it is. It's in there.
Scary.
Oh, it's fun. We're gonna do that tonight. Oh, Tay, there's a swing for you.
A swing. If y'all didn't know this, I actually loved swings.
This is gonna bring her so much joy.
It does. Swings are so fun. Like you always forget until you swing again and you're like, oh my goodness. When I was in 3rd grade, they had like really tall swings. I still don't know how I did it, but I would literally do backflips off of them. And I don't know how I did it being in 3rd grade, like 8 years old. But my friend and I would always do backflips off of swings and then we'd be really high.
No, you wouldn't. The backflip?
Yeah, I'm not even kidding. Like, you know, you like go back and then flip. Like, I don't even know how we did that. You're gonna underdog me?
Yep.
I'll just hit you in the face.
Okay. Yeah, probably gonna get dropped again. Yeah, good point. I don't think I'm gonna underdog you.
I'm diagonal. Dad, I'm diagonal.
Well, you're a little bit bigger than the last time I did this.
Dad, if you push me this high, then I'm gonna go upside down. Stop. Seriously, I'm gonna fall. If I go that high, I'll go upside down.
We recreated one of our special moments. All right, let's do this thing. That's way out.
Oh no.
2-0. I haven't played in like 6 months and I'm still beating your trash. Oh, 3-0.
What the heck? That was stupid.
Can't handle my speed.
Stupid paddle though, for real.
You want to change paddles? You want to switch paddles so there's no excuses?
Oh, shooty, see that.
7-0.
We're not adding in any of this footage.
That's the best line you've said all day. 8-0.
Screw you.
Give you another ball.
No, that's not how to play. I don't need no pity.
But you kind of do, because it's like 9-0.
Don't go easy on me now.
It's 9-0. I don't think I'm going easy on you. 10-0. Here we go. Game point. Easy serve. Nice. That was the best one yet.
Oh, screw you.
Game. Bet.
Restart. That never
No,
happened.
the winner gets to edit the footage. Just
No,
reset.
play it again. After an hour. That never happened.
I just got done going to the joint chiropractor for my visit, my weekly visit that I go to the chiropractor for my sciatica. It's getting a lot better, but it's still, you got to go to the chiropractor as often as I can. So we're sitting here in the car and thinking about where we're going to go grab some grub. And my wife, she said, hey, let's go do hot dogs. Words I would never hear my wife say. Let's go eat a hot dog. You explain yourself,
You
young
can
lady.
eat a hot dog.
Explain yourself, young
You
lady.
could eat the wiener.
She's a vegetarian, and but we're gonna go to a hot dog place, and they have vegetarian dogs, I
Well, it
guess.
looked kind of fun. Like, we tried the Korean corn dogs and loved those.
Yeah.
So this is like a different twist on hot dogs, and they do have plant-based sausages. So their menu looked good, got good reviews. So we're gonna go check them out. And what's it called, Dave?
I don't know.
Dog Hoss what?
Dog house.
Well, no, there's another word.
Oh, I don't know. What is it
Let's see
called?
if you can pronounce that. Dog Hoss.
Oh, dog house.
Bergarten?
Bergarten. I think that's definitely German.
Yep.
Dog house Bergarten. Wait, we got to do it with more phlegm. Dog house Bergarten. Cowboy chili.
Chili the Kid.
Oh, Chili the Kid. I like it. We love wieners. 21.
So we came in to try the hot dogs and ended up getting burgers.
Is it good? You need sauce though. Oh.
So guess who just got auto insurance and she can drive legally now. Mom's sitting in the back for the first time and for I don't think you've ever sat in the back of Brutus.
Nope.
Pippin.
Once. I don't remember why, but
Maybe test drive. Look at Pippin slobber, didn't get clean. So Taylor's driving. We got her insurance today, so that I could trade while she's driving. So I'm trading while she's driving. We went to go get insurance last night and did her a quote and all that to put her on my insurance. And they gave us the quote for her, and then they said they may change after we pull the record or whatever. We're gonna pull her driving record, and it did change. It changed Taylor from a girl to a boy, and it said that your record indicates that you are a male driver, not a female driver, so we're gonna jack your rate up because teenage boys are much riskier than teenage girls. So Taylor, do you identify as a boy?
No. I never had to have that conversation before.
So we couldn't get her insurance until this morning when I had to actually talk to an agent. And they said the same thing, that she's a boy, not a girl. And I'm like, she's my daughter.
I'm pretty sure I know.
I'm like, she's my daughter, not my son. And so they're like, well, the DMV says that she transitioned, that she used to be a girl and now she's a boy.
Yeah, so I had to pay $100 more.
So luckily her driver's license still did not show that. So her and I are going to have a serious conversation later off camera about what she's doing. I mean, we're not judging here, Taylor. If you want to be a boy and pay higher insurance premiums, go right ahead. But that's the world we live in. Pretty cool for me because I'm not driving. Now, don't get me wrong. I like driving, and driving's kind of nice, but I've done it 100% of the time on this trip, so it's kind of a nice break so that I can work and keep going. Next level up for Taylor and Patience is to actually drive the trailer. It's to pull the trailer. So we'll see if that ever happens. I don't know how well this is showing off my camera, but they're going all out for Halloween here in Alpine Lake Campground. Ooh, yeah, look at this. Smoke up here, haunted house. Boy, it's crazy though. Pretty cool. Alpine Lake knows how to party. It is dark out here. All right, Tay, you ready? You can't see anything. Ready to go into this haunted house, but we can't see anything.
I'm gonna have a fear of darkness after this. It's not what you see, it's what you hear.
Oh, somebody in the fridge.
This is good.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a swamp thing. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Woo, that's cool. They did a good job. That was a good production.
It's like my nightmares.
It feels like your nightmares.
Yeah, like the strobe lights.
That green lighting was really cool, wasn't it?
I mean, those are like in every haunted house.
Oh, here's Mom's favorite fear. Guy with the chainsaw. Mom does not like that. Ever since I started dating her when she was like 16, we took her into a haunted house with it's just my friends. I thought it was like maybe my cousin, but and she's never liked chainsaws ever since I've known her. Probably had to do with the time when they went up to the cabin in Utah and they were watching a scary movie and she was like 5 years old, and then her mom's like, Ray, I don't think that she's too young to watch this, and so
he took her out and walked in her. He took her out and walked in the woods in the middle of the night. After she was watching a scary movie. Let's stop watching. Let's stop watching this scary movie and let's go into the woods in the middle of the night and walk around. Ever since then, she's Halloween hasn't been her favorite holiday as far as the scaring stuff, but Mom loves dressing up though. We were in line at the haunted house, and the group in front of us were all Alabama fans, and you could tell that they were drinking. Standing right behind them, and this lady turns around and starts yelling at me like she knows me, and yelling at me like about the game.
Tom.
Yeah, calling me Tom. Can you believe it? They lost to Vanderbilt. They lost to Vanderbilt. Those losers. And I'm like, I'm sorry for your loss, ma'am. She's like, you're not, Tom. And then Tom showed up and we had a good laugh. I'm like, you must be Tom. What a magical moment that we had at Alpine Lake in New York. But next up, we visit the Poconos of Pennsylvania. And Patience and I get to spend our anniversary together in one of the most iconic places in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. If you've ever been there, you know what I'm talking about. I can't wait to see you in the next episode.